Welcome to the November 2022 issue of Pumper Magazine. On the cover, Kurt Cortese in Wayne, New Jersey, learned grease pumping on the job before starting his own business. Benefit from the knowledge and experience he shares with readers of Pumper Magazine. Speaking of grease, servicing grease traps can be a profitable way to expand your offerings, but make sure you know what you're getting into. Read on. A member of the Missouri Small Flows organization talks about manpower shortages, his favorite equipment, and other thoughts about the industry. The bipartisan infrastructure law will invest billions of dollars into water projects, but it's trying to solve problems that will take more than money to fix. Nobody likes a micromanager, right? Right. Better read this article to make sure you don't fit the description, and how to fix it if you do. Constructed wetlands can be an effective treatment option. Read on for some good approaches. This Montana tourist area was able to solve the shortages of disposal sites and pumpers. We shine the spotlight on a tool that makes replacing hose collars safer and easier. And it's not a sledgehammer. Next, we expand our grease coverage by looking at a ton of products made just for handling the nasty stuff that lots of homeowners love to send down the kitchen sink drain. Meguiar's Septic Service proves it's what's on the outside that makes you beautiful. Want to get your truck in Pumper Magazine? Send photos to editor@pumper.com. You say you want trucks? We've got trucks. And also everything else. Check them out in the classifieds. Pumper is all about readers like you. Send your story ideas to editor@pumper.com. Thank you for watching and see you next month.